Phillips screwdriver, you're going to remove the 2 screws on top of the bezel. And there, and one here. Then she just slides right out like this. You have 2 guide pins on the bottom. Phillips screwdriver, there's 2 mounting bolts. Now you can access the sockets. You're going to twist counterclockwise. You have a large eyelet and a smaller one. You can see them in there. Twist clockwise. Same with this. You have your new bezel. You're going to line up those ears on the bottom with that grill. Pop them right in. And you've got your 2 mounting screws on the top. There you go.